What's happening, dogs? Mr. Allen here. In this video, we're about to match some statements here with potential graphs. Now, one thing to notice here, these graphs have no units on them. So it's kind of vague here, but I've seen ones like this on the SAT and the ACT where they ask you to match a statement with a potential graph, okay? So that's what we're going to do here. So first one here, pay an electrician $150 up front and then $80 per hour worked thereafter. So which one starts up at a certain amount and then increases consistently here? That'd be this graph right here. While this one does increase and could be potential for that, it starts at $150. So we should be starting up a little bit here. I'm going to say this one right here is number 1. Okay. Number 2 here. Start saving $10 per month and double your contributions each month. So for doubling our contributions, first we're saving 10, then 20, then 40, then 80, then 160, so on and so forth each month. That is exponential growth. It's increasing faster and faster each month. That's this guy right here, right? It's going to be a curved graph like that. All right, number 3, you watch 45 hours of TikTok. Unless you're watching Mr. Allen Math for 45 hours. That's far too much, guys, all right? Per week, but plan to decrease by 5 hours each week. Perhaps you're switching over to YouTube or Instagram Reels, right? Or maybe just reading a book. Read a book, kids. Okay. So which one of these is decreasing? Well, it's only this one right here, but also the 45 hours to start. We want to start up a little higher, and then we're going down. Yelling Timber. That's a Kesha reference right there if you didn't catch that. All right. Next one, number 4. Obviously, it's going to be this one. But let's see if the description works, right? Otherwise, maybe we made a mistake somewhere. We got to go back, check ourselves before we wreck ourselves. A car rental costs $75 per day. Well, it's just going to start with 0 if you don't rent it, right? And then go on up from there. So I'm thinking this guy right here does fit for graph number 4. If there was like an upfront cost, say like $100 per day, or sorry, $100 up front and then $75 per day, then this graph would actually work out well for number 4 there. But since there was no upfront cost like there was with the electrician one, and then it was just a consistent increase, that's why this one down here is our number 4. Electrician is number 1. Big difference here, guys, is the exponential growth one here, number 2, where we're doubling the amount of money we're saving or tripling the amount of money we're saving, or maybe it's a bacteria that's doubling its population or increasing by 10% each time. Those are exponential growth types. Otherwise, we're looking at straight lines going up or going down. Cool? Awesome. Fantastic. Wonderful. Dope. See you dogs later.